why didn't the puppet have any dessert? Because he's been stuffed for years.
No. How many cans does it take to make a bird? 2 cans.
What is a monster's favorite food? Ghoul Scout cookies.
Why did the turtle cross the road? To get to the Shell station. Why would I tell a bad joke? I'm too cool for that.
Why can't you hear a pterodactyl using the bathroom? Because the P is silent.
What do you call the king of vegetables? Elvis Parsley. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Now, what is a parrot's favorite game? Hide and speak.
What do you call a dinosaur that smashes into everything in its path? A Tyrannosaurus Rex.
OMG! Susie, we have a video to do. Hold on a second. LOL, girl, that is hilarious. I'm sorry, what was I supposed to do?
What is a crocodile's favorite drink? Gatorade.